Redmi is introducing the Note 13 family to the Indian market on January 4, that much we've known for more than a week now. But what wasn't officially confirmed was which members of the very expansive family we should expect to land in India. Today, the brand's Indian arm has thankfully revealed one of them. It's the Redmi Note 13 Pro, perhaps unsurprisingly. Redmi has outright named it in its newest teaser post over on X, and it's even got a special website teasing the launch. Over there, we get confirmation that the Indian Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, just like the Chinese model, will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset. This is, in fact, the world's first smartphone to use that SoC, as Redmi proudly boasts. We also get confirmation that the back is made from glass. It looks like the next feature will be unveiled tomorrow. Let's spoil Redmi's party, however. Since the chipset is the same, maybe the entire phone that's launching in India is identical to its Chinese cousin? If so, then expect it to sport a 6.67-inch 1220 by 2712 120Hz OLED touchscreen with 1800 nit peak brightness, 8/12/16 GB of RAM, 128/256/512 GB of storage. A triple rear camera, 200MP main with OIS, 8MP ultrawide, 2MP macro, a 16MP selfie snapper, and a 5100 mAh battery with support for 67W wired charging.